Hello friends, today we will learn how to write a sick leave application in English. Sick leave application to the principal, school name, school address, subject application for sick leave. Respected sir or respected madam, I am suffering from fever and not feeling well. Therefore, I am unable to attend school today. Kindly grant me leave for 1 day. I shall be grateful to you. Thanking you. Your obediently. Your name, class name, roll number, your roll number, date. Thank you for watching this video. For more English writing videos, please like, share and subscribe.